has done very well from its IPO more than 2 years ago. Now at almost 16 pesos per share, it has gone up even higher than that. Let's review strategic areas when you could have bought the stock via technical analysis, because you know this, the name of the game is finding strategic areas to buy when the charts are dictating when we're supposed to come in and buy the stock. So check this video out. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this walking vlog now all the way up until I get to my desk as well. But if you look at Wilcon, the first initial buy signal for it was after the IPO, it started to consolidate. It was not going anywhere, but if you look at this, you can draw a resistance line from this area. So after it going above that, you saw Wilcon start to go up from 5 all the way up to 9. So for me, that was the first strategic area to come in for Wilcon. The breakout from the 5 level, the breakout from the consolidatory level after the IPO was an area already for you to come in. So if you notice it also, that's why I'm not a big fan of IPOs, especially if you want to trade it, because you can come in for IPOs when you see the breakout happen, because it doesn't always go up at the same time. Stocks during IPOs don't go up in one go, or sometimes it dips. And sometimes the best time for you to be able to make money off of it is after it consolidates or after it moves a certain level, it will start to break out, and that's where you come in, and that's where you're supposed to come in for Wilcon as of that point in time. So after the 5 level, the next breakout point that you must consider is the breakout from 9. If you look at it, the pattern is always the same. It hits a certain area of resistance. After hitting an area of resistance, you will find it break out after that. The goal and the name of the game is to buy once it starts to break out from those resistance levels. And if you notice it, it always is the same. It's almost consistent. The numbers may change, but the patterns, it doesn't change, because at the end of the day, it's always all about technical analysis. Markets move, and it looks like a ladder. As it starts progressing into an uptrend, it forms a consolidatory motion, it makes and forms a resistance, then it breaks out from that. Your goal is to buy the breakout. So after 5, next area for you to come in sana was at the 9 peso level. After that, the next best areas for you to come in is the breakout from 14, 15, and 15.9 pesos per share. But if you look at it now, the consolidatory areas, the resistance becomes smaller, meaning the smaller the resistance levels, the weaker it is, and the stronger and the larger the chance that it will break out. You have to look at it. If I zoom this out, you will see that the chart is breaking out still, and not just breaking out, it's in an uptrend. The name of the game, if a stock is in an uptrend, is it will continue to go up until something shifts, until you see a change in a trend. As of this point in time, there's no change in trend. As of this point in time, as you know, it's bullish. It will just continue to go up, and it will just keep on breaking those resistances. So those are the specific areas for you to come in if you wanted to trade Wilcon. You have to remember this. Your goal is not to chase stock prices. Your goal is not to buy them high, but your goal is to stick to your plan, and your plan is to stick to what the charts are telling you to win, because at the end of the day, the name of the game is for you to create your own strategy using technical analysis and following it to the very end. And your goal is to put as much as you can when those buy signals emerge, and your goal is to sell when those sell signals emerge. If you look at it, there's no emotion right there. For those who bought at the breakout at 5 pesos for Wilcon, for those who bought from the breakout of 9, congratulations, because you guys are doing well, because you guys are making a lot of money. I hope this video helps you. If you're new to this, send in the stocks that you want me to analyze further, and we'll talk more about it. And I hope this video encourages you that you can trade the markets with ease and confidence, that the stock market is not as hard as what most people think it is, that you can win as you start to analyze and do things on your own. Because the heart and the goal of all of this channel is to help you win in the market. So subscribe if you're new to this, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.